All of us face a dilemma every once in a while जब आप अपने फ्रिज को खोलते हैं and there's a pack of bread which has been opened up but वो थोड़ा dry हो गया and you don't want to have it with a sandwich or with your eggs or anything at all. अब आप उसका क्या करें? Everyone thinks that should be throw it. We do feel bad कि हम एक पूरे ब्रेड के पैकेट को फेंकना नहीं चाहते. So I have a very exciting recipe for you with your stale bread. Yes, let me show you what it is. That recipe is bread upma. Let's get started. यहाँ पे मैंने एक पैन को हीट करने के लिए रख दिया है लो हीट पे. I am going to take some oil. For this recipe, you can use refined oil or even a mustard oil that would go very well with the flavors here. We are gonna let the oil get heated up and इसमें हम डालने वाले हैं थोड़ा सा राई सीड्स और हम डालने वाले हैं थोड़ा सा जीरा. इसको अच्छी तरीके से हम हीट होने देंगे जिससे पॉप करना स्टार्ट हो जाए. एंड साथ में हम इसमें डाल देंगे थोड़ा सा हींग पाउडर. जैसे ही हमने हींग डाल दिया है, इट हैज़ अ ब्यूटीफुल स्मेल. आवर सीड्स हैव स्टार्टेड टू पॉप. नाउ आई एम गोना पुट सम चॉप्ड अनियंस इन इट and mix it up well. We want to make it a little golden brown in color, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. While we do this, let's chop some fresh garlic. Now we're going to take some ginger and chop it up well. Now we don't want it to be very finely chopped because इस रेसिपी में हम ब्रेड जो डालने वाले हैं that is going to be very soft. So we need some mouth feel थोड़ी chunky vegetables के लिए. So that way it makes it easy for you to even prepare this recipe. Now we're going to add this freshly chopped ginger and garlic and we're going to toss it up real well. We have to make sure कि ginger और garlic का जो raw smell है वो चला जाए because it is very strong. Even though it's beautiful, it could be a lot to take for you to eat. And now हम इसमें डालेंगे थोड़े curry leaves, some freshly chopped tomatoes. Again, you don't have to necessarily make it finely chopped. Roughly chopped tomatoes will work just fine. Now at this point, I'm going to add some salt, which is going to make the vegetables nice and pulpy. Now we're going to add some of our spices, which will be a little bit of turmeric and a little bit of Kashmiri red chili powder. This is going to give us the beautiful color that we want in this recipe. Okay, now that we've added all our spices and mixed it really well, what I'm going to do is take some water and we are going to pour it into this pan. हमें इन vegetables को थोड़ा अच्छे से कुक करना होगा जिससे थोड़ी सी सॉफ्ट हो जाए. I'm going to mix it up well and I'm going to cover it with the lid for a while. In maximum 2 to 3 minutes, मसाला जो है बहुत ही मैशी और सॉफ्ट हो जाना चाहिए. अब जो ब्रेड है, one, it was stale, that is important for this recipe. Otherwise जो bread इसमें मसाले में जाएगा सारा mash up हो जाएगा. And another thing is that I have cut it into these small pieces. Now you don't have to, but I have also removed the crust of the bread. And something very important before adding the bread is that this masala should lose all its water. वरना अगर पानी के साथ आप इस bread को इसके अंदर डालेंगे तो आपकी bread बिल्कुल mash pasty जैसी हो जाएगी जो हमें नहीं चाहिए. Okay, let's just check if our masala is ready. Do you smell that? This is like a whole wave of beautiful smells. अभी हमारे को इसको थोड़ी देर और ओपन करके कुक करना होगा जिससे इसका पानी सारा चला जाए. But otherwise our vegetables are pretty much cooked. And just toss it little bit for another 2 minutes जब तक इसका ये जो पानी है ये चला जाए. Our masala is quite dry and I think we are ready to add the breadcrumbs now. Add them all in. And all we need to do is give it a simple toss. We want the beautiful red color of the spice and the masala mix to come onto our breads. And our bread upma is ready to be served. Festivals वगैरह में आपने मीठी सेवइयाँ तो खाई ही होंगी. But today we are going to make a savory version. Yes, we are going to make a vermicelli upma. Now first of all, we are going to roast our vermicelli a bit. Normally आपको markets में unroasted या roasted दोनों तरह की मिल सकती हैं. But in case it's the one which is not roasted, I'll show you how to do it. We're gonna put some ghee in a hot pan and let it melt a bit. अब जब ये घी मेल्ट हो चुका है और थोड़ा गर्म हो चुका है, हम ये वर्मिसेली इसमें डाल देंगे और हम इसको अच्छी तरह टॉस करेंगे till the time it is light golden in color. I'm sure you've never wondered what exactly vermicelli is. This is a kind of pasta that Middle Easterns adopted and brought it to our country, and that first became sevaiyan, and now this savory vermicelli upma. You can see here in our pan that the vermicelli has started becoming light and golden. We are gonna toss it for another 2 to 3 minutes till it's consistent with the color. Vermicelli is actually made up of suji, which is very light for our stomach. So this vermicelli upma basically is also very light for our stomach. It's a great breakfast, it's a great snack. Now you can see that we've gotten the beautiful golden brown color on our vermicelli. It's nicely roasted. Now let's get to making the masala. In a pan, I'm going to take some ghee. Once the ghee heats up, I'm going to put in some mustard seeds here. It's already spluttering. We're going to add some urad dal. Roast it for like 10 seconds. Put in some peanuts. Roast it for like 15 seconds. And now we're going to add some curry leaves. Toss it nicely. And now add some chopped onions. We're going to add in some freshly chopped tomatoes. Toss them out nice. At this point, we are going to add some salt, which will help us fasten the cooking process. We are going to add some chunks of fried potato to it. Mix it a bit. And now we are going to get to our dry spices. We are going to put in some Kashmiri red chili powder, some turmeric, and we are going to mix it up all nice and wait for the raw smell of the masalas to go away. Now that our masala and our vegetables are ready, all we need to do is add our roasted vermicelli into it. Give it a nice mix. Once it's nicely mixed, we are going to add in some water to soften our vermicelli. Now I'm going to mix it up a bit again. Cover it up with a lid. Within 2 to 3 minutes, our vermicelli upma will be ready to be served. आप देख सकते हैं that our vermicelli has started to soften up. That is just what we want. Within 2 more minutes, the extra water will be evaporated, and I'm going to plate it with some freshly chopped coriander and some freshly chopped green chilies. Enjoy.